morning and welcome to Saturday. Thank goodness the weekend is here. Well, actually on vacation, we don't care what day it is. I think it's Saturday, but every day's been Saturday. Now, I want to take you outside. The weather has just been hard to deal with. We had a gust come through that liked to blow the trailer over, and I'm coming out just to survey the situation. Looks like we made out all right. This couple in the red truck over there, though, they were chasing down all their paper towels, and well, back over here, all the trash from the campground is blown up against the wood line there.
The pedal also powers the song.
That's cute. Bye-bye.
We are out and about exploring. We're going to go to the visitor center today and see what's up. We're also at Munising Falls. A little tip: if you're coming this way, you drive through a neighborhood to get back to the National Lakeshore Visitor Center.
How's that a tip?
It is a tip.
That's a fact.
Well, that's what tips are. They're facts. People that are going to a national park probably are not thinking that they're going to drive through a neighborhood, Ethan. Any of you guys at home have this autocorrect feature traveling with you? Because I've got two autocorrect features. I never make a mistake.
One works all the time. That one would be him.
All right, let's go. We got a waterfall to see. All right, we came across this sign. I'm not exactly sure what it means.
Are you downloading pictures?
Yeah.
Anger
Okay, that's what I thought.
programs. Cindy, you need this.
No, I think it might be you.
Not me. Our viewers know by now which one of us.
You know how to edit. That's why.
We always are open for volunteers who want to come in and do some interpreting. So you actually can spend a month out here running the campsites and issuing bag permits and things like that. Pretty much any national park will let you camp out there for a month and just hang out.
Oh.
You do a little bit of work, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
Supposed to be formal.
Yeah.
Speaking of
Yeah,
formal.
there you go. Formal.
All right. And state your name.
I, Owen Ragusa,
Promise.
promise
To uphold.
to uphold,
I promise.
I promise,
As a junior ranger.
as a junior ranger,
To preserve.
to preserve
And protect.
and protect
Nature.
nature,
History.
history,
And the culture.
and the culture
Of the United States of
of
America.
the United States of America.
Now you can give me a high five and a high five. Because you are officially rangers.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Thank you. Hello from Munising Falls. What did you say, Munising? Munising? Mucinex. we're taking some family pictures, which came out really nice. I'll show you one right now. You'll notice a little guy in the picture that doesn't belong. I shouldn't say it like that. He does belong, but he's not part of our group. Cameron from somewhere in Michigan was with his family, and he decided to join in the family picture with us. We got to meet his family and had a nice little visit. So thank you, Cameron, for being in the picture. And here's the picture of Cameron. Welcome to the peace and tranquility of our national park system.
Definitely a weekend.
Yeah, the weekend crowd. That's right. So when we were here, the first day we showed up was a Thursday or something,
Yeah.
and we didn't have all that going on. So we're back at Miners. What is it? Oh, you don't know anything. Gee, Miners Chimney, I think.
I think it's Miner's Castle.
Miners Castle.
No, they're the state bird of Louisiana.
We've looked at the two overlooks, and we are now headed down to the lower level out on Miners Castle. And there's a series of switchbacks. Let me show you. My take on the hike out to Miners Castle is that it is, how would we describe it? Just like a little bit rough, but it ends just in time before you decide it's too much. Before you fall over, yes. Now, some of you, we all come in different shapes and sizes, and you may be more or less fit than I, but for someone in my condition, what is my condition? Hey, be careful now. For someone in my condition, it was like just enough. So pretty view from down there. And we are now doing our standard
Lunch
picnic in a pretty place.
with
Lunch.
a sandwich and chips.
We got special bread this time. Has anybody tried the artisan bread from Costco? Sara Lee's artisan bread? Really good.
It's Walmart.
Nobody doesn't like Sara Lee.
No.
Is it your hair?
We're back at camp. Got the camp chef started up here with corn on the cob, and the grill is heated up and ready for some burgers. And you can see all the men are working hard.
Hi.
The ladies actually are doing something, I think. Let's see. Ladies, are y'all working? I was trying to get footage of somebody working. I couldn't find it out here.
Well, tell them to get to work out there. Find something to do.
Patties are coming along. Nelsonville brats.
Look, it's moving in just so we won't be able to see a sunset.
The UP.
So we were just chased in by the rain, and wanted to show you guys real quick when we have company. You're probably thinking, how in this little trailer do we host company? We put the lawn chairs in strategic locations. There's some down here, and everyone has a seat. Works out. Story of the day is Lake Superior weather. Wouldn't you say? Yes. Yeah. Karina was just saying they live in Traverse City, and Traverse City was at 105. So 105, and it was a record. Broke a record, and she was saying the previous record was 99, so broke the record by a significant amount. Karina, you look like you might like doing this.
What, camping?
No, YouTubing. If you're on the edge, you don't know if you want to hit that subscription button or not. They didn't know about our channel just 5 minutes ago. Now they do, and that's the end of the night. We can't talk anymore. They're hooked. Look, rolling ragu right there. We shouldn't have shown them this until after the trip.
Oh, what a pretty sunset.
Anyway, what more testimonial do you want, right? You don't need any other testimonial. Look at him, couch potatoes. Look, he's shaking his knees in excitement.
We've had a little bit of rain, and they got a warning about flash flooding. So here we go. It's up to my ankles, past my ankles.
Thanks for joining us. It's been a great day.
That was really good.
Well, it's wasted now.
Tell them how it is, E.
If you like it, subscribe, maybe give it a like, and comment down below what you think. And hit the bell if you want to see any of our upcoming videos.
And we'll see you
next time.